In this video, you'll learn how to install and use Claude Code on a Windows PC. By following this guide, you will set up the necessary tools and create your first project using Claude Code efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Visual Studio Code website. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, look for the download section where you will find options for different operating systems. Click on the download link for the Windows version to start the downloading process. After the download is complete, locate the installer file in your downloads folder and double-click it to begin the installation. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard to complete the setup. Make sure to accept the license agreement and choose the default options unless you have specific preferences. Once the installation is finished, you can open Visual Studio Code. Remember that Claude Code operates within the VS Code terminal or as an extension, so ensure that it is running before proceeding to the next step. Next, navigate to the node.js website. Similar to the previous step, enter the URL into your web browser. When the site loads, find the download section and select the LTS version, which is recommended for most users. Click the download link to start the process. After downloading, open the installer and follow the installation instructions, accepting the default settings to simplify the setup. Once completed, you will need to verify the installation by opening the terminal in Visual Studio Code. In the terminal, type node-v and press enter to check if node.js is installed correctly. You should see the version number displayed. Next, type npm-v to verify that the Node Package Manager is also installed. It is essential to have both for Claude Code to function properly. If you choose to use Git, which is optional but recommended, go to the Git website next, download the installer for Windows and run it, following the prompts to complete the installation. After the installation, verify that Git is correctly installed by opening the terminal again and typing git-version. You should see the version number if Git is installed successfully. Now, return to the Visual Studio Code terminal. To install Claude Code, type the command npm install -g Claude Code and press enter. This command installs the Claude Code command line interface globally, allowing you to access it from anywhere on your system. Wait for the installation to complete, and you will see confirmation messages indicating success. After installation, authenticate Claude Code by running the command Claude login in the terminal. You will be prompted to enter your API key or account credentials. This step is crucial as it enables Claude Code to access your projects and resources. Once you provide the necessary information, to create a new project, type in cd my project, to make a new directory, and then navigate into it by typing cd my project. After that, initialize Claude Code within your project folder by entering Claude in it. This sets up the necessary files and configurations for your project. To run Claude Code, you can generate a backend file by using the command Claude generate, create a node.js express API route for user signup. The output will appear in your project folder, ready for your use. To test and refine your project, copy the output to your files and run your project by executing node-index.js quote in the terminal. You can continue refining your project by using additional prompts with Claude. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.